Good Tuesday morning, everybody. Chris Allen with your weather podcast for this April 5th. This year, I'm telling you, I don't know about you guys, but this year it's just going by so fast. It's like, wait a minute, I have to check. Is it really April? Are we already in the fourth month of 2016? It just really blows my mind that we're a quarter of the way through already, and there's only 4 quarters in the year. So anyway, this morning I'm having to clear my throat a lot and do that and all that. Sinuses, pollen count is running really high, extremely high today at a 10. Tree pollen mainly, but there's other, some grass is thrown in there, grass pollen, stuff flying around, so I'll apologize before I even get started today. Yesterday's high, 75. What a nice day. It was a bit breezy, but it was warm breezes. That 75 degrees came just about 1 o'clock yesterday afternoon at the Bowling Green Airport. 66 is the average high, so we were 9 degrees above average. 42 was our low, and 42 is where we should be for a low temperature, so on the money right there. A year ago, we had a high of 60 and a low of 37. Back in 2015, we've had no precipitation, no rainfall past 24 hours. It is a bit frosty out there this morning. Temperatures at or below freezing just to the north of us, up around Breckenridge and Grayson County, Hardin County, Taylor, Greene, those counties. That's where a freeze warning is in effect. In fact, it's Breckenridge. I'm looking up and reading this if you hear my voice change. Let's see here. Breckenridge, Hardin, LaRue, and Taylor. Those are all under freeze warnings this morning. But temperatures will be running cooler today, not the 75 that we had yesterday. We had that cold front come through yesterday afternoon with a few clouds, a few sprinkles, not much more than that, but it did shift the wind. And now we're going to be cooler today. Sunny, but cooler, with a high expected only to be about 58 today, with a wind out of the north and east at first, then shifting southeast at about 8 miles per hour this afternoon. Mainly clear tonight, but becoming cloudy as we get into the late night hours. Overnight low at 41 with a more southerly wind, which should keep us several degrees warmer than this morning. And then for Wednesday, cloudy, breezy, and warmer, and a good chance of showers and thunderstorms coming in by afternoon and evening. In fact, the rain chance is at 80%, mainly Wednesday afternoon and evening. 67 will be the high. Southwest winds 20 to 40. Here come the winds again. Not just in March, but in April too. We get those breezy conditions. Cold front comes through, showers and thunderstorms early Thursday morning, about a 30% chance, and then partly cloudy, just a tad cooler with a high of 61. Then a backdoor cold front swings through late Thursday into early Friday, and that will bring our temperatures back down along with a chance of rain at 30% to a high of 55 on Friday. Much cooler. Low of 31 with another chance for some patchy frost by Friday night into early Saturday morning. I know, it's just the same thing you've heard before, just over and over. Up and down temperature, chance of frost, chance of rain, sunny, warm, then back down to cool, frosty, chance of rain, blah, 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 blah. Saturday, sunshine, cool, 52. It's going to be a nice day just on the coolish side of things. Sunday, we begin to warm up, 64, and mostly sunny as winds come out of the south and east. And then by Monday, another storm system with here we go again, warming up to 72 with another chance for showers and thunderstorms. You know the drill by now. You know how this pattern's going to go. And it looks unbroken for a while. April in Kentucky. Gotta love it. And I do. Keeps me busy, though. All right, let's see here. Yesterday morning, those of you that are listeners to Sam 100.7, you noticed that we were off the air. Then we came back on, and I was able to do my radio show, and then this morning it's off the air again. I'll tell you why. A combination of wind plus we have to have these real expensive blower fans that keep the transmitter from overheating. Well, one of those fans went down, and that has to be replaced. So they got it temporarily back up yesterday, got it running, but have to order a part. Engineer has to come in, and go up to the transmitter site, which is up there in Wingfield, and put some new parts in and get that thing running again because, summer's around the corner. Those things can overheat. So that's the dealio this morning, why it's still off the air, but it's liable to come back on anytime as soon as they get that fixed, hopefully before my radio show today. So in case you're wondering, that's what's going on with Sam 100.7. But I'll still do my show later today. Could be there on the air. I mean, we may be off the air still. Just depends on how they get in there, and if they find other problems, then there's a possibility I may not have a radio show this afternoon. But I'll pick up where I left off from yesterday if that should happen. And I do intend to give away some more Little River Band tickets to see them at SkyPack May 19th. We've got a lot more pairs of tickets to give away, but you have to listen to my radio show between 3 and 7 in order to win. And for those of you that are my loyal podcast listeners, I will be giving away a pair today if we're on the air. But only you know that. It's a secret nobody else knows. That's why I'm whispering. Okay. That'll do it for this edition of the podcast. God bless as always, and thank you so much for listening. Know the weather before it knows you. Have a great day. I'll see you live at 5:30 on AM Kentucky, streaming live to the WBKO app and WBKO.com later this morning at 11 on midday, and God willing, and engineers getting it all fixed. I'll see you this afternoon on my radio show 3 to 7 on Sam 100.7.